What's up, you guys? I'm out here with the MT410. Man, they have leveled it out here. My little jump hill's gone. They've cleaned it up, but we're gonna do a little run out here and see what we could do. The MT410, new body, the new mounts, the bumper, T Bone Racing. The front bumper, I did the rear bumper with those big ass wheelie bars. I don't know how any of this is gonna be, good, bad. I know RC bashing the crate, and I know he don't like the T-bone too much. I think he gets the T-broke bumpers and stuff. So we're gonna try these out and see what they do, see if any good. I got the Badlands on here. I'll try them out on there and see how they go. Yeah, on this thing, I upgraded the shocks, did everything in the shocks, got them all aluminum out, the cartridge caps, everything. I know it has adjustable body mounts on it already. But with the stock bumpers, I'm not able to lower the body down too much because it hits the body, hits the bumpers bad. So, and with this frickin' with these bumpers, I can lower the body down a lot more. Looks good. And now the wheelie bars, I'll see how those hold up. Yeah, so they got rid of everything, huh? They got rid of my jump. But I ordered some ramps, you know, so I'll be able to take my ramps wherever I go. Man, this thing hauls ass, bro. Oh, well, that's testing that bumper right there, no doubt. Let's see. My shit's good. Yeah, so good. Yeah, so I'm almost done with the building of the ET48. I got my electronics and stuff to put in, and got my electronics and stuff to put in, and that's it, my servo, and then I'll get the body going. Yeah, so at least with the ramps, I'll be able to come out here and throw my ramps down and, you know, catch some good jump. Because if not, that's all I'm gonna have to deal with is this ditch. I can't catch no big air on this ditch. Come on now. Freaking animal, I tell you what, dude. You know, and I forgot my temperature gun. I wanted to check the temps on this. See about what the temps were running. The MT, I love it. I love it, man. These T-bone bumpers, you know, when I get home and I clean up, that's when I'll look and do my rail, whether they're cracked, broken, good, bad, bent up. I just wish on the rear bumper they would have made the brace a little better. Got rid of the stock thing. Got rid of the stock setup, you know. Yeah, but it's all good. Man, it's so good to come out here and just bash. So good to come out here. See, this is what I could tell right here. See that? This piece right in here, they should have made that better. They should have made that better. It's still it still folds up. Still folds up, but yeah, she is just trigger happy, this thing. So this was really my my test on these bumpers, man. I wanted to see, you know, I know I could do a new a good face plant there. Oh, my tire done blew out, boys. My tire done blew out, boys. Look at that, look at that. That's it, we're done. We're done. Or any more damage, we out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. MT410. So far, so good on the T-bone bumpers, looking good. We'll see how long they last. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out.